Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are studying about the daily use of English sentences.
होश में तो हो तुम? Are you in your senses? होश में तो हो तुम? Are you in your senses? मैं उसके फ्रेम में आ गया. I got duped by her. मैं उसके फ्रेम में आ गया. I got duped by him. मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. खुद को संभालो. Compose yourself. खुद को संभालो. Compose yourself. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. ऐसा सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so.
Follow for more. Thank you so much.